Welcome back to TopClass CaneCorso. The last time you saw these beautiful pups, they were just starting to stand up. Well, at 4 weeks old, they are stronger than ever. They eat 3 times daily in addition to their mother's milk and are starting to enjoy the outdoors. Their meals are a mix of powdered diamond puppy food packed with 30% protein and 20% fat, as well as prepared goat milk with added protein. We have available 4 males and 1 female, all duly registered with ICCF and AKC. These puppies will grow to have incredible show potential and make great, loving, and protective pets. At pickup, they'll be ready with dew claws removed, tails docked, and ears cropped. They'll be vet certified, wormed, and have received all vaccinations. After their photo shoot, these puppies were ready to eat. After having their fill, Mom polishes off the bowls and her pups will go back to relax with her. They will be great protectors, gentle with children, and overall great additions to the family. This is not an opportunity you'll want to miss.